What is up, guys? Welcome. Whoa. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Anthony Show. Excuse me, more the Anthony Show. I have decided, guys, that I'm gonna do one video on my main channel, the Anthony Show, and one video here. So I'm gonna do Regine Velasquez. I just got done uploading a video. I need to sneeze. Okay, I just got done uploading a video saying "You've Made Me Stronger" by Regine Velasquez on my main channel, but now I am back at More The Anthony Show, ready to do a brand new Regine Velasquez video just for this channel, you guys, because I'm trying to balance things out because of the 2 copyright strikes, guys. I know, but please support me, guys. Please share me to all your friends. Contact all your fans to come and subscribe to this backup channel, guys. We need to make this grow as well as my main channel. So, and I am telling you, I remember this song because this, guys, was the 4th Impact's last song on X Factor. And if you guys are there for my original channel, you guys know I love 4th Impact. I've been reacting to their X Factor journey all the way from the beginning and then all the way to the top where they got they got cut off, guys. See this? See, they got done for. And I'm going to be talking about that in another video on my main channel, but that's going to be later. That's a 4th Impact project. Shh, it's a secret. It's a secret. Okay, guys, I need to get straight to the reaction. This is about Regine Velasquez talking about 4th Impact, and I am telling you, you are crazy. Alright, guys, let's get straight to this. I'm so psyched to hear and I am telling you. I listen to that song a lot because that was just a beautiful addition of 4th Impact's music. Alright, guys, I can't even talk right now, guys. Like, I'm just so shocked. This brings back the memories, but let me know what you want down below. Comment down below, and I'll see you guys there. Wait, 3, 2, 1. I don't know what that was. Oh wow, she started already. No intro, nothing. Can she beat 4th Impact? Whoa! This is my first time hearing her do high pitch. Oh. Her voice, guys, oh my goodness, her voice does not have a flaw. Wow. Dang! Oh wow. Wow. I feel like she sang this originally. I don't know who sang and I am telling you, but whoa. Wow, guys. She's a flippin' boss! Guys, I have to sing along, guys. This is one of my favorite songs right now. Wow. She does an extremely good job. I love her vocals. And her like, oh wow. Whoa. Oh wow, guys. This is awesome. I'm gonna download this song and I'm gonna listen to it a lot now. You can bet on that. Wow, this song must be famous. A lot of people are singing it. Oh my goodness. I like that smile she does at the end. She's like, ah. Wow, 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 wow. Woo! Oh my goodness. Guys, what the flip? Oh wow. Wow, guys, I encourage you, go to my main channel, go check out my Fourth Impact, the last X Factor audition they did, and it was this song, and I can't compare them. They're two amazing artists. Regine Velasquez mastered this song. So did Fourth Impact. They mastered it as well. I cannot choose favorites on any of my journeys, guys. You know that, and it's just, dude, look what I'm looking at right now. Like, seriously. Like, what is this? Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, More Than Anthony Show. I will be doing vlogs, extras, and more reactions, like, you know, I already talked about in the beginning, guys. It is 1 o'clock, guys. And it's just like, you know, guys, I can't stop thinking about you guys. Like, I just really miss you guys throughout the day, because I work, and I'll probably vlog it throughout the day. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Alright guys, peace out, have a good day. Don't let the world change your smile, let your smile change the world, and just pretend every day when you wake up, just say, oh, it's a good blessing. Like, just pretend every opportunity, everything you go through is a blessing, and then things just automatically, like, get all happy, you know. See you guys later. Oh yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys had a blast and awesome time. Don't forget to comment down below about your thoughts on the video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because you don't want to miss out on all the awesomeness and epicness coming to this channel very soon, guys. And don't forget to hit that like video and share me around. That'll be amazing, guys. And don't forget to comment your suggestions down below. It was an honor reacting to this video for you guys, and I will always be at your service all day, every day. And do me a favor, guys. Don't forget, stay awesome, always stay positive, and don't ever worry about stuff, because that just makes things kind of worse, guys. And worrying doesn't really, you know, change anything. Alright guys, see you guys in my next video. Peace out!